let me tell you this. Let's start with some facts and then I'll give you some opinion. So Amazon says that 1% is typical. 1% of people that buy your product will then leave you a review. Now, you may say to yourself, shit, that's pretty freaking low. And you're right, it is low. But ask yourself this, how many times have you left a review for something that you have purchased? And I think if you're honest with yourself, you will agree it's probably somewhere around 1% of the time. And I'm the same. So 1% is pretty normal. However, that 1% is different across different marketplaces. So in our India market, for instance, our review ratio is very high comparative to all of our other markets. So we get far more reviews in India than we do in anywhere else in the world that we sell. Now, I don't know why that is. It's, I guess, just a quirk of Indian culture. But what I will tell you is this. The first time we started getting reviews in India, I freaked out. I was freaking out because they leave reviews that are brutally honest, like brutally honest review. Now, on Amazon, if you look at Amazon scores, a 1-star review is unsatisfactory, a 3-star review is good, and a 5-star review is exceptional. Now, most folks, when they leave a review, they're going to leave you a 5-star review because, you know, that's just our nature, that's our culture. In India, 3-star reviews is what you get. 3-star reviews, well, it's a good product. And they'll leave you a good review, like, I really like this product. I think they've done a great job of it. The packaging was really well put together. I love what it did, yada, yada, yada. Great product, 3 stars. It's good. It's good. And so when we started getting 3-star reviews, I was like, holy shit, we're going to be out of business next week, because that's what would happen in America, in Australia. If you were just getting 3-star reviews, you'd be out of business. But in India, it's different. In India, it's different. So there are nuances, there are peculiarities about different marketplaces. 1% is normal. I guess that's 1% on Amazon.com. I'd also suggest it's probably normal here in Australia too. And by using a piece of software called Kibli, so that's kibli.com.au, which is a piece of software that automates, send to all, that automates your email follow-up sequences. You will definitely improve that. So Kibli took our reviews from, let's just say it was 1% to 5%, something like that. Like it was exponential growth in the number of people leaving a review, which is pretty cool, which is really, really good. And the final thing I will tell you about that, and I know I've kind of packed a lot into this answer, is more and more people are opting out of Amazon emails. More and more people are opting out of Amazon's emails. And so you need to get creative with how you get your reviews now. You need to be creative in the way you get your reviews. Things like Kibli will definitely help you. Emojis in your subject line will definitely help you. Things like that. So I hope that helps. But if you're getting 1%, then you're on average for Amazon. Some products, final part is, some products lend themselves more to being reviewed. An example of that, we've just launched a product into Australia where we're targeting it as a gift. And I'm covering all of this in my inner circle. So if you're in inner circle, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But we're targeting the product as a gift. Now, I don't expect to get many reviews for that product because the people who are buying it are not the end user of it. They buy it, they give it to somebody else, and the person who receives the gift may really, really love it, but they're not able to leave me a review for the product. So you've got to contextualize it with what you're actually selling to, all right? Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.